Welcome to Everyday Cooking in Bhavna's Kitchen. Leftover food is a part of life and one should always learn to make use of leftovers. And to me personally, sometimes leftovers are like a quite good quick fix if you are short on time. So sometimes I make few things more purposely than I need, obviously. And today I have some leftover Mexican rice. So let me show you how to prepare Mexican fried rice out of leftover Mexican rice. Here I have gathered all the ingredients to prepare Mexican fried rice, leftover Mexican brown rice. Mexican rice is already seasoned with salt and paprika, black beans, corn, onion, bell pepper, spring onion, and for the seasoning I'm using homemade Mexican taco seasoning. If needed, salt can be added, but this seasoning has everything in it, so I'm just going to add salt if needed. And of course we need oil and jalapeno and garlic. So you can add omit ingredients as per your liking, but this is what I have most of it from leftover. And sometimes if I feel that I still need more flavors, I sometimes add fire sauce in Mexican fried rice. So you can go ahead and use hot sauce even. So let's get started. Into the pan, on a medium to high heat, take a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is slightly hot, add garlic and jalapeno. Add onion, bell pepper, corn, and let all the vegetables cook. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of salt. As I mentioned, the seasoning has salt in it, so I'm not going to add so much of salt here, but you can add as per your taste. And then ready to add seasoning now. And a little bit of a black pepper. I already love the color of all these vegetables. Ready to add rice. Mix it all. So you see how quick and easy it is to prepare Mexican fried rice. We still have a few more ingredients to add, which I'm going to add towards the end. Now here I have black beans. Usually black beans are not added in Mexican fried rice, but since I have some leftover, I'm going to keep this on the side. I'm not going to add at this point, but I'll just add later. I'm going to sprinkle spring onion, and I'm going to also add just a little bit of a sauce here to give that Mexican flavor here. Give this all a final stir and fried rice is ready to serve. Alright, so you saw how quick and easy it is to prepare Mexican fried rice if you have some leftover rice. And I am ready to serve. Squeeze lime juice before serving. Looking at the yummy, colorful rice, can't wait to dig into it. That last flavor of lime makes a huge difference. So be sure to squeeze little lime before serving. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, making use of leftover, preparing Mexican fried rice out of leftover Mexican rice, and I would sure love to hear what do you make out of leftover Mexican rice. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinot Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon. To prepare multi-purpose Mexican seasoning, into the mixer jar take onion and garlic powder. Here I have 3 different varieties of chili powder. Only one kind can be used. I'm using hot chili, cayenne and paprika powder. Next I have ground coriander and cumin powder. Then salt and pepper. Dried oregano. And last but not least, unsweetened cocoa powder and cornstarch. Cover the jar and pulse all the ingredients few times until all the ingredients are well incorporated. And our homemade Mexican seasoning is ready to use in recipes. Let me show you how the color looks like. Now to preserve this seasoning really well, use airtight container or jar and use within 3 months for the best flavor.